Okay, so welcome to Ratchet and Clank. Rift Apart, let's go. Agent Rebel. Come on. Let's do it.
Members of the Resistance, report to your nearest intake facility immediately. We promise nothing nefarious will befall you. We promise. Resistance members, report to the VIP section of your nearest intake facility for compulsory behavioral modification. It will be fun. Fun.
Your suit seems to be working nicely, blending right in. There is the assistant, and there is the infobot. Whew, masterful work. Now get out of there and decrypt that thing.
Where is the infobot?
Your ship is up ahead. Where are you going?
It's okay. See? Just me. Rivet? Shh. Gotta go. Here, it'll help you get home. I designed it to be one size fits all, so it should... Thank you.
Don't you think it's weird to throw a celebration for us? I mean, we haven't done anything heroic in years. What if everyone thinks we're washed up? Oh, what if we are washed up?
Luckily, we will not need to perform any heroics. Unless you count smiling and waving.
Right.
Give a big welcome to the Grand Marshals of our parade, Ratchet and Clank! I, Captain Copernicus Leslie Quad, will be your host. With me, Skid McMarks. And Rusty.
Okay, we're playing.
Wow! Haven't seen these guys in ages.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, this is a pretty big turnout.
Even after all of these years, it is exciting.
Yeah, it is, huh?
Give it up to our heroes! Yes! Folks, we have a momentous day in store for you. Starting with me. And ending with a surprise gift from Clank to Ratchet.
Oh dear, must he tell the entire galaxy?
Wait, a gift? For what?
Oh, you will see. It is awaiting us at the front of the parade route.
Well, we better get moving then.
all started on planet Earth.
Let's go.
Ratchet, a restless tinkerer, hungry for adventure. That night, Clank's ship came crashing from the night sky. Ratchet rescued the defective warbot, and the rest is intergalactic history. The crowd goes wild!
The graphics are so fucking pretty. Let's go.
Our heroes will clear this festive barricade. Who could forget the Blarg invasion of Kurwa? Show the crowd some of those world-class sharpshooting skills. Well, once he grabs some ammo, of course. Last, the Hall of Heroes is safe.
Hey, I think I found the wombat!
What is this supposed to be a reenactment of?
Bounty on your head, wombat!
Ratchet, I do not believe this is part of the show.
Fuck you, man. Get out of here. Where the fuck are you?
Someone put a bounty on us?
I hope this is not about your gift. Hurry, we must get to the front of the parade route.
We have to destroy this.
Oh dear.
Activating Magna Boots!
No. Okay.
Come on, let's keep this show going. Catch a rush.
So much for smiling and waving, huh?
I would bet the blogs are behind this, or the Cragmites, or... Oh, Dr. Nefarious.
Ha! No way! Nefarious has been retired longer than we have.
Let's go. What? Holy shit.
Watch out for swashbuckling marauders.
Robots, attack!
No.
Get back to the Our heroes vanquished is the enemy. Now, ye must walk the dangerous flank.
The mysteries of the Grey Clock. Again with the fighting. I have an emotional monologue prepared for this one.
Come on.
More goons
Let me
incoming.
kill you.
Let's take out that dropship and end this!
Fuck you, man.
A little rusty, but not too bad.
Let's go.
And now, we reach the present of our hero's story. Ratchet, the last known Lombax, whose kind is lost in another dimension. will receive a mysterious gift from Clank.
I had a speech prepared, but considering that our event seems to be under assault, I will cut to the chase. Ratchet, I do not know where I would be without you. You are my closest friend, my teammate, and you have given up a lot to... I have repaired the Dimensionator, so you can travel through dimensions and find your family.
Oh, pal, what? Dr. Nefarious?
Ratchet and Clank! What a wonderful surprise! I didn't expect to see you here. Considering my goons were meant to annihilate you 8 minutes ago.
Oh, what do you want, Nefarious?
Yes! Can't anyone print instruction manuals anymore?
Holy shit! Let's go!
We have to get the Dimensionator away from Dr. Nefarious!
Yes, and quickly. Whatever he has planned, it cannot be good.
You fucker! Get the fuck out of here!
Of course you are! Why wouldn't you be?
I should have known Nefarious would try something like this.
Don't beat yourself up. This'll be just like old times. Come on, it looks like Nefarious landed somewhere near the train station. Go, Mrs. Zircon. We should grab a weapon.
Need a weapon? Mrs. Zircon has it all. You have a good eye.
More goons! Incoming!
Let's go! The fuck out of here! Suckers!
Last one!
Come on, let's go!
The train's pulling away. Let's go! Put down the Dimensionator, Nefarious!
Put down the Dimensionator. Yeah, right. Today, you will see what losing feels like. Spoiler, it's exhausting. As soon as I figure out these stupid coordinates. Say goodbye! you do?
Whoa! What just happened?
We may have a slight problem.
The bridge is shot! There has to be another way across.
The rifts are reacting to the face quartz in your glove. Try pointing it at one of them.
Did you see that?
That was cool.
Rather exciting.
Train has arrived.
Let's go. The fuck out of there. No.
I wonder how much Nefarious is paying these guys.
Not nearly enough.
Whoa! Watch your head!
This is worse than I had imagined.
Let's fucking go. Give me an ammo. No.
From above.
The fuck is that? Holy shit, get the fuck out of here.
I knew you'd come.
Might as well give up.
Was that a kraken?
Or at least a very large octopus.
Nefarious's ship! We've got to find a way up there!
The taxis leaving from that stand are driving right by him.
Then we better not miss our ride. Hey, when did you rebuild the Dimensionator?
I have hobbies, and I know that finding the Lombaxes has always been important to you. I thought perhaps we could
Let's go.
together.
Wow.
For hiring us, but we're gonna need.
Fuck you. You need nothing. Come on.
Our ride's here.
Do it. Nice. What is that? Give me that. No, maybe not. Let's go.
Nefarious.
These rifts are getting out of hand.
Nefarious is in way over his head.
What is that?
Whoa! Hey!
What do we got here?
Planet hopping without ample supplies. Farewell.
Okay, new gun. Get the fuck out of here. Holy shit.
After all these years, just to try and take over the universe again.
Yeah, I kind of wish he was doing a worse job.
Get the fuck out of there. Holy shit. The fuck just happened? Give me this. Let's go.
work, Ratchet.
Couldn't have done it without you, pal.
We got it. Fucking got it. Let's go.
All right, now let's get to Nefarious.
These goons are useless. This is what I get for giving my assistant paid paternity.
Quickly, we cannot let Nefarious overuse the Dimensionator.
No. You sucker! Come on, man.
Toads are so unpleasant.
Get the fuck out of here.
Take that, Nefarious.
Oh dear, he is targeting us.
Come on.
His defenses are with...
The fuck? What do we got? Take it. You son of a bitch.
me boy.
No.
Where did Nefarious find these?
My ultimate plan will come to fruition.
Get the fuck out of here.
And nothing will stop me.
How many times has...
Probably around 80.
Give me an ammo.
Doesn't matter.
Got it.
Today will be the last.
Fucking got it, ammo. No. You son of a bitch. You will die.
Did that hurt?
Nope. Nice.
You think a crushing defeat is all it takes to stop me?
I mean, yes.
Well, think again! We're going to a dimension where I always win, so you can finally know how it feels.
The dimensions are weakening considerably.
How bad is it?
Well, it is certainly not good.
Great!
Where are we?
Holy shit.
It's me.
Watch out, man.
To the depths with many arms you got!
Boy?
What manner of trickery? Get off me, ship! I'll create you!
Oh my god. This game.
Did I do it? Or what? Is this... What's with all the neon?
This is the part where you lose.
Ratchet, the Dimensionator.
Really?
Ratchet? Oh dear, my arm. And no, the Dimensionator. It... What have I done?
What have you done?
Who are you?
Someone with a lot of questions. Let's go for a ride.
Yeah. Wait, I have to find my friend.
Hi? It's me? It's
You have returned early from your conquest.
Yes, Emperor!
Nice intro, man. Let's play a little bit more.
Oh. Clank? Clank? A Lombax? What is this place? Where are you, Clank? Maybe someone around here is seen him. Have any of you seen a little gray robot anywhere? Green eyes, red antenna, very charming.
What do we got here? Nothing. Let's go.
Please let there be good news behind here.
Welcome to the Nefarious City Bazaar. Please remember to thank our marvelous Emperor before, during, and after making your purchase.
Emperor? Does that mean there are two Nefariouses now? Clank first, Nefarious later. Maybe he's in this bazaar.
Hey, Lombax!
Wait a second.
You forgot your order? Well, come right in. Miss Zircon will sell you weapons, but you gotta be less conspicuous, or the resistance will not last.
The Resistance?
Oh, apologies, sugar. Miss Zircon is still new to all of this espionage.
Release the hostage!
Clank! No. I need to go after that ship. How can I get off planet?
It's a test. Only royal starships are allowed to leave. Anything else? Oh, Phantom can help. Just follow the beat to Club Nefarious and you will find him.
Club Nefarious, got it. Oh, and nice work, Secret Agent Zircon.
This is so exciting.
What's Club Nefarious gonna sound like?
Pleasure to see you.
Okay, where are we going? In the front, let's go.
That sounds
Let's
like a
fucking go. Here, maybe here. Let's go.
Drinks are half price with your Club Nefarious membership card.
Like it.
Dr. Nefarious? So what happened to the real Emperor? Hi, yeah, are you the Phantom? Is there a Phantom around here?
Only a dancing machine. Hold on now. Music.
Where the fuck are we going?
Resistance alert! Resistance alert!
can't believe. First mission in forever and my cover's blown.
Phantom is Skid? Better take care of these guys or they'll go after Phantom too. Phantom, wait!
Who are you? I was just in the middle of a mission.
I'm Ratchet. I heard you were...
No names.
Wait for me, man.
If you want to join
What
the
the fuck are you
resistance,
doing?
Why does everyone think I'm with the resistance?
Fucking faster than him. Get the fuck out of here. You fucker, get out. I need to kill these specters or what? Get the fuck out of here. We got it.
Will you please stop running? Is this some kind of test? It is, isn't it?
Let's go.
Hey, wait!
There he is! The football!
Hey, wait! Oh boy. I'll handle this, Phantom. You just get to safety.
Fuck you guys. No. Get the fuck out of here.
Nice work, new guy.
Now where'd you go? Thanks!
Got it. Fucking got it.
What is this? Some kind of secret handshake? Hey! What do I do with it?
Alright, new guy. Try out Phantom Dash.
Phantom?
Nice.
Enemy can't catch what doesn't temporarily exist. Jump and Phantom Dash! The glove handles the rest. Don't be scared. Use the glove to run along those panels. You want to go even further? Jump and Phantom Dash!
I need a royal starship to find my
Let's
friend.
go.
I heard you know where to get one.
It's not safe here. Just stay close.
Give me that. Thank you. Let's go.
Get a royal starship or not?
Lombaxes. You are just as stubborn as she is.
Wait, you know that other Lombax? Where did she go?
Sargasso. She always goes there after a mission.
Sargasso.
I'll make you a deal. You see that blimp? You help me take control of it, and I'll help you get into Nefarious Tower. It's the only place in the city you're gonna find a royal starship.
What's so special about the blimp?
Just find a way up to that rooftop. I gotta grab my gear. But I'll meet you up there.
Rooftop? How do I get to that rooftop? I'm coming, Clank.
Okay.
Just hang on.
Okay, so let's end this episode here, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.